Thousands of people made a rush toward ferry and bus stations in Dhaka to reach their homes in other parts of Bangladesh. The country has put in place a strict lockdown from today. People were seen making a mad dash towards rural areas ahead of the lockdown. According to the latest data by the Health Ministry, 8,364 fresh cases were recorded in the country on Monday. Authorities have decided to shut all government and private institutions during the lockdown. Cases attributed to the Delta variant continue to surge in the country. The health department spokesman said that people will not be allowed to venture out except in case of an emergency. Border security guards will oversee the lockdown. Even the army is on standby to ensure that the measures are adhered to.
শাটডাউন আসবে, জরুরি অবস্থা হবে, হয়তো বাড়িতে যাওয়াটা অসম্ভব হয়ে যাবে। তো সেক্ষেত্রে দ্রুত বা আগে যাওয়াটা মনে করি যে বেটার।
বিভিন্ন বিকল্প পথে তারা মা ফেরিঘাটে এসে পৌঁছেছে এবং আমরা চেষ্টা করছি তারা স্বাস্থ্যবিধি মেনে মাস্ক ব্যবহার করে যাতে ফেরিতে সুশৃঙ্খলভাবে ওঠে এবং কোনো রকম দুর্ঘটনার উপনীত না হতে পারে সে ব্যাপারে আমরা আপ্রাণ চেষ্টা করছি।
As per the latest data from the WHO, 8,822 fresh cases and 115 deaths were reported in Bangladesh on Wednesday. Bangladesh reported its highest daily death toll of 119 on Sunday, and officials say the cases in districts along the India-Bangladesh border are on an all-time high. Now, the healthcare system is reeling under the immense pressure in the cities of Khulna and Rajshahi, and experts say that the situation may worsen further in the upcoming weeks. Bangladesh has confirmed over 900,000 COVID-19 cases and more than 14,000 deaths in this pandemic. The country's vaccination campaign had taken a back seat after India had suspended exports under the Vaccine Maitri program. The vaccination campaign in Bangladesh has now restarted after the arrival of 1 million doses of China's Sinopharm jabs. But Dhaka is still waiting for another 20 million doses of AstraZeneca ordered from the Serum Institute of India. Our correspondent, Lakmina Soma, sent us this report from Dhaka.
This time the picture has changed a lot in the newly started on-week lockdown. The capital was mostly empty since the morning. Checkposts have been set up at important points of the capital. Police are interrogating vehicles and common people there. Meanwhile, the police have arrested about 200 people from different parts of the capital for wandering around without complying with the ban. According to the previous announcement, no public transport is running today. Flights on domestic routes are also closed. Only emergency freight vehicles are running. However, as before, there is a lack of coordination. You know that at least 4.5 million workers work in garments in Bangladesh. Other emergency services, including garments, have been kept open in the lockdown. But most of the owners didn't follow the instructions of their own transport system in those offices and factories. As a result, garment workers and other employees have had to suffer to go to the office. However, the country has recorded highest number of deaths and infections of COVID-19 in this week. This is Lakmina Jasmine Shoma for WION in Dhaka.
WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.